हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के साथ यूएन चार्टर एंड इंटरनेशनल लॉ के इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ डिस्कस करूंगी जो आप लोगों के 2022 के एग्जामिनेशन में बहुत काम आएगा। लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हेन डिड द यूएन कम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस एंड हु coined द नेम यूनाइटेड नेशंस? So the answer is on October 24, 1945, UN come into existence, and the day is now celebrated each year around the world as United Nations Day. तो 24 अक्टूबर को UN डे मनाया जाता है। United States President Franklin D. Roosevelt, he has coined the name United Nations. This is important. Next, what are the 6 official languages of the UN? And answer is Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian and Spanish. Next, how many countries signed the charter at the San Francisco Conference in 1945? Answer is 50. Name the country which did not sign the charter at San Francisco but is still considered as an original member. Answer is Poland, which was not able to send a representative. So total original members of UN are 51, 50 who has signed and plus Poland who was not able to sign. Next, name the principal organ of the UN. Total principal organ of the UN are 6 actually, and first is General Assembly, second Security Council, third International Court of Justice, fourth Economic and Social Council, and fifth is Secretariat, and sixth is Trusteeship Council. And these 6 principal organs are mentioned under Article 7 of UN Charter. Next, where is the headquarter of the UN and since when? तो हेडक्वार्टर जो यूएन का वो न्यूयॉर्क में है, यूएसए, सिंस 1952। यूएन के जितने भी प्रिंसिपल ऑर्गन्स हैं उन सब का हेडक्वार्टर न्यूयॉर्क में ही है एक्सेप्ट इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस। इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस का हेडक्वार्टर हेग, नीदरलैंड्स में है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु इज़ एलिजिबल टू बी अ मेंबर ऑफ यूएन? तो आर्टिकल 4 जो है वो मेंशन करता है यूएन चार्टर का। चार्टर डिक्लेयर्स दैट मेंबरशिप ऑफ द यूएन इज़ ओपन टू ऑल द पीस लविंग नेशंस हु एक्सेप्ट इट्स ऑब्लिगेशंस. The states are admitted by the General Assembly on the recommendation of Security Council. This is important point. And Article 3 में original members mention है और अभी मैंने आपको बताया original members are 51 members. Next, can the UN Charter be amended? Yes, by a vote of 2/3 of the members of General Assembly and ratification by 2/3 of the members of United Nations, including the 5 permanent members of the Security Council. And this amendment procedure is mentioned under Article 108 of UN Charter. This is very important point. Next, who are the members of the Security Council? Answer is the council has 15 members, 5 permanent members, China, France, Russian Federation, UK and USA. ये पांचों नाम बहुत important हैं. And 10 are non-permanent members which are elected by General Assembly for 2-year terms. ठीक है, this is mentioned under Article 23, members of Security Council. Non-permanent members of the Security Councils are elected by UN General Assembly. Next, what and where is the International Court of Justice? So International Court of Justice is the judicial organ of the UN. It only deals with the cases brought by nations, not individuals. This is important point and this is mentioned under Article 34. It consists of 15 judges for 9-year terms. तो 15 जजेस होते हैं आईसीजे में जिनकी टर्म होती है 9 years की. दिस इज़ मैंशनड अंडर आर्टिकल 3. Article 3 mentions that it consists of 15 judges and term is mentioned under Article 13. Next, the court sits in Parliament permanent session at Hague, Netherlands, Article 22. This is the seat actually. जो ICJ की सीट है वो हेग में है. This is mentioned under Article 22. Next, Who hold the record for delivering the longest speech at the UN General Assembly? And the answer is Mr. V.K. Krishna Menon of India. On January 23, 1957, his speech ran for 7 hours and 48 minutes over 2 sessions. तो ये नाम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, वी के कृष्णा मेनन, बिकॉज ये इंडियन थे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु वॉज द प्रेजिडेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट सेशन ऑफ जनरल असेंबली? This is important. Answer is Mr. Paul Henry Spaak of Belgium in 1946. Next, give the date of India's admission to the UN. तो इंडिया UN का मेंबर कब बना? October 30, 1945. India was among the original 51 members state of the UN in 1945. When was the Human Declaration adopted? On December 10, 1948 by the General Assembly, and now December 10 is observed as Human Rights Day around the world. Next, what is UNEP, United Nations Environment Programme? This was established as a result of UN Conference on the Human Environment in Stockholm in 1972. Its headquarters is in Nairobi, Kenya. This is important. World Environment Day, celebrated annually on 5th June to commemorate the anniversary of the opening day of first UN Conference on the Human Environment in Stockholm 1972. यहाँ पे आप ये याद रखिएगा, UN Conference on the Human Environment in Stockholm in 1972, उसका रिज़ल्ट है UNEP एंड इसका हेडक्वार्टर है नैरोबी, केन्या में. Next question, what and where is the United Nations University? This university is headquartered in Tokyo, Japan, established in 1973. One important point here is the Office of UN High Commissioner for Refugees, UNHCR, was established by General Assembly in 1951 to protect refugees and to promote durable solution to their problems. Next question, name the first specialized agency of the UN, and the answer is ILO, International Labour Organization, which was established in 1999 as an autonomous institution associated with the League of Nations. चूँकि 1999 में UN तब तक फॉर्म नहीं हुआ था, लीग ऑफ नेशन के दौरान ये बना था, बट बाय एन एग्रीमेंट अप्रूव्ड ऑन December 14, 1946, ILO became the first specialized agency associated with the UN. Its headquarters is at Geneva, Switzerland. This is important. Who got the Nobel Peace Prize for his leadership in establishing the UN? And answer is Mr. Cordell Hull, US Secretary of State in 1945. What is NPT? Has India signed it? If not, why? Answer is the Treaty on the Non-Proliferation of the Nuclear Weapons was the first open for signature in 1968. It come into force in 1970. This is important date. NPT come into force in 1970. And India is not a signatory to NPT because India considered it a discriminatory treaty. So these were the important UN Charter and international law MCQ questions. I hope you will find this as helpful video, and if you think it is helpful for you, so please like and comment in the comment section so that I'll make more such helpful videos in future. Thank you for watching.